Alright, guys. Hopefully, you enjoyed part 1 and 2. Because guess what? Here comes part 3 of 3. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed them. Uh, Not this weekend coming up, but the weekend after, we'll get you guys a whole bunch more videos out at KNS. And I mean, if you're in and around the Edmonton area, everything, check them out. I've left all of the information in the description of their Facebook page. Um, so yeah, if you guys need information or anything, down below is the page. Go check them out and head on out there. Have yourself some fun. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm talking to her. Talking to her. I got a passenger, I got extra weight. You want me to go up, pull you up? You want me to go up first, pull you up? Lean forward into me. I might roll back down, hook onto him, pull him up. Really? I think he's coming up the other way. He can't make it up that way. Yeah. Hear me? I just crawl up. I just said to her, lean forward into me.
Yeah. Well, I've been through all the trails I know of, and I cut them all. There's a little loop back in here that's just a little loop.
Yeah. Well, everything that we've gone through so far, to me, other than a little bit of Nightmare Alley,
Yeah.
not challenging.
Yeah, no, that's...
And that hill, that's a challenge.
Yeah.
I bet you if I was way more on the front end, I'd probably and jumped that right-hand side, I would have made it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's made to be doable. It's not... Nothing here is a real challenge. If you... Especially for a quad.
You do have a headlight, you know that, right? And it does work. Turn the key on.
Huh?
Turn the key on. It did work. Oh, probably just batteries dead. I bet you now.
Huh? Need more front end weight on this and I could probably make it uphill.
Yep.
Yeah, get a front drive shaft in there. It'll add some more weight.
Hey, next one.
Well, you didn't follow me through the one there.
Let's follow him. Alright, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I just want to let you guys know, if you guys are out off-roading or quadding, please, 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 please ride safe. That's all we ask and everything. So, yeah. So, with that being said, from everybody at KNS Off-Road, play safe.
Yeah.